Hello, students. Wanted to share a story with you today called Veterans Day. And the author of this story is actually listed inside the title or right inside the cover. So we have Veterans Day by Rebecca Rissman. And I'm going to keep it like this so that you can see both sides of the paper, both sides of the book. Now, this book is special. It's a nonfiction book, which means that it is true. It's not made up. And inside it has a table of contents. This is a table of contents. And the nice thing about a table of contents is it tells us what's going to happen in the book. So we know that if we want to know what a holiday is, we can go to what's that page? Page 4. Who are veterans? We would want to go to page 6. If we wanted to know how to celebrate Veterans Day, we would go to page 14. If we wanted to see Veterans Day symbols, we would go to page 20. If we wanted to see a calendar, we could go to page 22. If we wanted a pictured glossary, page 23, and an index on page 24. So that's the table of contents of our book. So if you remember right, page 4 said, what is a holiday? If we go back to the table of contents, remember, what is a holiday on page 4? So if we turn to page 4, it gives us that title again. What is a holiday? A holiday is a special day. People celebrate holidays. We know lots of holidays like Christmas and Easter and Thanksgiving and Halloween. This story tells us about a holiday called Veterans Day. Veterans Day is a holiday. Veterans Day is in November. Page 6 answers the question, who are veterans? The United States of America has a military. The military guards the country. So they are taking care of our country. There are 5 parts of the United States military. Everybody count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are the Navy, which is right here, the Coast Guard, which is right here in the middle, the Marines, which is right, let's see, where's the Marines? Mr. B can't find it. Right here. Oh, nope, the Marines right here. The Air Force, which is right here, and the Army. And the Army is right up here. So those are the parts of the military. Veterans are people who have been part of the military. Some veterans fought in wars. Some veterans helped people in the United States. Some veterans helped people in different countries. Notice how our veterans usually are wearing these uniforms right here that help us understand that they are part of one of our military branches. If you remember our table of contents at the beginning, it said celebrating Veterans Day would be on page 14. So if I go to page 14, look at that. Celebrating Veterans Day. On Veterans Day, people honor veterans who fought in wars. People honor veterans who served the United States in times of peace. On Veterans Day, people say thank you to veterans for serving the country. Can you all say thank you? Say thank you. People remember veterans who have died. And this is a place called the Arlington Cemetery. This is where a lot of our veterans are buried after they have died. On Veterans Day, the President of the United States visits the tomb of the unknown soldier. The President lays a wreath on the tomb. This honors veterans everywhere. And this was actually the president before the president we have now. His name was President Obama. Veterans Day symbols. People fly the American flag on Veterans Day. The flag reminds Americans to be thankful for the people who serve the country. We can be thankful every morning when we say the Pledge of Allegiance to our flag at Whittier School. So here is a calendar, and it shows the date November 11th. Can you say November 11th? November 11th. Veterans Day is on November 11th. This year, that day is on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, it will actually be Veterans Day. Here's some important words that were in our book. The military, the groups of people that protect a country. Together, these groups are called the military. Soldier is a person who serves in the military. We also call them veterans. And a tomb is a place for remembering people who have died. The other neat part about a nonfiction book is at the end they have something called an index. And this is also a place that we can find different things in our nonfiction book. So if we wanted to know about what a tomb is, we could go to pages 18, 19, or 23. Let's see if that works. Page 18. So I'm going to look at my page numbers on the bottom until I get to page 18. And this page talks about the tomb of the unknown soldier. So our index helped us find that page. And this is the story called Veterans Day. And the author of our story, remember, was Rebecca Rissman. Thank you for listening, and remember to say thank you to a veteran this week.